Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to our neck and shoulders yoga snack. What is a yoga snack, you may ask? It's just a little bite-sized yoga class that you can do, kind of squeeze it into your day. I'm trying to keep these at 10 to 15 minutes long. If you're new here, my name is Natasha, also known as Nurse Natasha. Welcome. If you're old here, welcome back. I am a plus-size, trauma-informed, accessible yoga teacher, and that's pretty much all I do here on my channel, as well as a little sprinkle of witchcraft and wellness. So if you like that vibe, feel free to subscribe. Also feel free to hit that join button. I do live yoga classes, live tarot readings, live new moon and full moon workshops, a ton of yoga classes. I also have challenges in the membership and a free 30-day yoga challenge on my channel for everyone, and then a bunch of other challenges in the membership. So all that being said, this is a little 10 to 15 minute yoga snack focused on the neck and shoulders. Now for this class, I do recommend you have a strap. Now if you don't have a yoga strap, you can use a towel or a blanket. This is just it's a little prop to help us do what we need to do. I do recommend you have any other props that you need for your practice. So just remember that everything I say is an option, not an order. You listen to your body, you do what feels good. And yeah, so we are going to get started seated in an easy seated pose. Now, easy seated pose means something different for everyone. I like to have my legs crossed. You can keep your legs extended if that's more comfortable for you. You can sit on a pillow or a block or a bolster or a chair or whatever feels right for you and your body. So we're going to come to our easy seated pose. We're going to come to our space. Maybe take a second to scoop some goodness out from underneath you, just to really feel those sit bones on the mat. We're just going to come to the right here, the right now, to this present moment, to our mat. You can keep the eyes open or closed. And just bring your awareness to your breath. Just taking a little moment of mindfulness, using your breath to bring you to your space, to your body, to your mat. Maybe you just notice what's going on in the body as you breathe. So maybe on the inhale, you feel that chest expand, the belly expand, maybe the shoulders rise, taking up space. And on the exhale, a gentle release. You can deepen and lengthen these inhales and exhales. Just a few more deep breaths here. And now we're going to start to add in some movement with our breath. So you can inhale, center. Exhale, just drop your right ear over to your right shoulder, just getting into the left side of that neck, encouraging that left shoulder down. On the next inhale, head comes to center. On the exhale, left ear to left shoulder, press that right shoulder down. And go ahead and inhale, center. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder one more time. Now, option to stay right here. Option if you'd like to take this left hand, press it away from you like you're pushing something away from you. Breathing here. And last option is to take this right hand and bring it to your left temple gently, and just very gently pull the head to the right and maybe a little bit forward while you're pressing that left hand away. Again, these are just options. You don't have to do this. We're just breathing into the left neck and shoulder. Now inhale here, exhale, gently release everything. Inhale, center, exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Now again, option if you'd like to press that right hand down and away from you, encouraging that right shoulder down like you're pushing on something. And then option to take this left hand, bring it to the right temple, and just gently pull your head to the side and a little bit forward. Encouraging this right shoulder down and just breathing here. And inhale here, exhale, go ahead and release everything. Now we're going to continue to get into this neck and this throat a bit. So what I want you to do is drop your chin to your chest. And just like this. Feel that stretch in the back of your cervical spine. And now I want you to shake your head no. Very slowly, very exaggerated. Shaking your head no from side to side. If it feels really good in a certain position, you can hold it there. And again, just really encouraging these shoulders down. And if there's anything you want to say no to here, anything you're releasing because it doesn't serve you, anything you don't want in your life anymore, just go ahead and say no to that here. Anything you don't want in your life anymore, you don't want to come to you anymore. Say no to limiting beliefs, toxic people, places, things. Anything you want to leave in the past. Gently coming back to center, chin to chest. Now we're going to nod the head yes. Again, very slowly, very exaggerated, dropping the head back. And then coming forward, chin to chest. Still encouraging those shoulders down. And here, I want you to say yes to whatever it is you're trying to attract. Whatever it is you're trying to manifest into your life. Whatever it is you want more of. Yes to love, yes to happiness, yes to fulfillment, abundance, whatever it is, or if it's a certain specific thing. And finish up this last round and gently release your head back to center. Now, if your legs are crossed, I want you to take a moment to just flip the cross of the legs, put the other leg on top, and now we're going to use this strap. So you're going to take the strap in your hands, or again a towel or a blanket if you don't have a strap. You're going to extend it out in front of you with your arms wide. Now all I want you to do is bring it over the head, to the back, and then over the head to the front. We're working on that range of motion in the shoulders here. You can take this slow, controlled. Breathing here. Your arms can be as wide as they need to be. And just a few more rounds here. We're just warming up these shoulders. Now go ahead and release the next time they come forward. Now we're going to bring that strap behind us, and you're going to grab the strap with both of your hands behind you. Now we're going to inhale, press the arms back so we open the heart, open the shoulders. Breathe here for a moment. And then I want you to bring your hands and the strap to your right hip. So they don't have to come all the way over. You don't have to bring them to the front. Just kind of gently touching the right hip or the lower right back. And then you're going to turn your head in the opposite direction. So turning your head to the left, encouraging this right shoulder down. Breathing here for a moment. Inhale, gently come center. Exhale, you can release the hands back. Take a moment again to inhale, press those hands back, lift the chin, open the heart. And on the exhale, we draw those hands now with the strap to the left hip and maybe turn our gaze over the right shoulder. And just breathe here. Inhale, gently come back to center, and exhale, release. You can get that strap out of here. Now I just want you to take a moment to kind of shimmy your shoulders, maybe do some shoulder rolls back, maybe do some shoulder rolls forward. Just get some of this stagnant energy out. You can also do some maybe head and neck rolls. Just takes a few breaths to do what feels right for you and your body. If there's anything you feel like you still need in your neck and shoulders, just connecting with your body and with your breath here. And now we're going to finish up this class with a child's pose. So we're gently going to come to our hands and our knees. Now you can place some extra support under the knees, under the shins, if that feels good, like a towel or a blanket or a pillow. We're going to bring those knees as wide as the mat, sink the hips back to the heels, extend those arms out, lower that chest to the mat, and then an extra little option here if you'd like to continue to get into those shoulders. We're going to bring the hands together to touch, and then bend the elbows so that prayer hands go right over the head. You'll feel this a little bit more in the shoulders. I just want you to bring your awareness to your breath here. With every inhale, fill up. Allow yourself to take up space. And with every exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into the mat. This is where I will leave you, my friends. You can hold this child's pose for as little or as long as you want. And I will see you next time.